Hey guys, today we'll be making an easy Ruffle Deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need, I have my adorable center. It's just a truck that says Happy Easter, a wreath ring, some Chanel stems, and scissors of course. I have 21-inch long deco mesh. Now if you can find this color green in the 6-inch deco mesh, then definitely go for it. I also have pink, blue, and white 6-inch long deco mesh, and a hot glue gun. So again, the only reason I'm using the 21-inch deco mesh is because I could not find the exact color I was looking for in 6-inch. So if you can find that color or use a replacement color, then you can definitely do so. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut my Chanel stems in half, and then I'm going to place them on my ring. I'm going to just loop it around the second from the inner ring 2 times, just like that. And then I'm going to place 1 on the second from the inner and then 2 on the second from the outer ring. So as you can see, I have outer, inner, and I'm just going to continue alternating all the way around the ring. If you choose to add more, then you can definitely do that, but I feel like this is a nice amount. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I've alternated all the way around the ring. Now I'm going to take my mesh, which I've cut all the mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And the 21-inch deco mesh, it is 8 inches long, but I just cut the 21-inch long piece in half. So I'm going to start with the largest piece. So that would technically make it 10 and a half. And then I'm going to place my white piece to the left, and then I'm going to place the pink to the right, and I'm going to place the blue in the center. Just like that, so that all colors are visible. And I'm going to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the center of all of the mesh, just like that. Then I'm going to pick a stem. I usually start with the outer stem. Pick my stem, place the mesh, twist it a couple of times, and then tuck away the stem, just like that. And I'm going to repeat the same step, but I'm going to alternate the order of the deco mesh. And this time I'm not going to use the green. So I have the white, and I'm going to slightly overlap the white with the blue, and then the white again, and then the pink. Just like that. And then I'm going to, once again, scrunch it in the center, and then go to the next Chanel stem and place it down. Twist it to the Chanel stem and tuck it away. Now you can add the green to every single stem if you choose to do so, or I will link videos in the description box on how you can just layer the mesh one on top of the other. It gives it more of a fun, fluffy, larger look. But again, whichever way you choose. Alright, I'm going to start again, and I'm just going to alternate once more, and I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my stem, alternating the order of the colors so that I can see a little bit of each of my colors. Alright, we are all done. I'm just fluffing up the wreath. This is what the back looks like. And then I'm just separating each layer, making it look nice and poofy. Alright, so now it's time to add our adorable sign. It's so cute. Right in the center. I'm going to take my sign and 4 Chanel stems. Well, first we're going to cut off the finger at the top of our sign, and then turn the sign over. Then I'm going to take 2 Chanel stems, twist them together to form one long Chanel stem, and this is going to go towards the top of my sign, and then I'll repeat the step for the lower portion of my sign. And then I'm going to use hot glue to glue the stems in place. To have the stem hanging off of the side of my sign so that I can easily attach it to my wreath form. Alright, so to do so, I'm just going to place my sign in the center, and then I'm going to push the mesh out of the way until I can visualize my actual wreath form. And I'm going to take my chenille stems and just twist it around the wreath a couple of times and tuck it away. And I'm going to repeat this step for the remaining 3 chenille stems until my sign is securely in place. Next, I'm just going to fluff up my mesh, making sure it's formed around my sign. I don't have any open spaces or anything like that. And you are all done. It looks so cute, precious, simple, and easy to do. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree.